In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to convert USDT to BNB coins on OKX wallet. This often reduces trading fees, as many exchanges offer discounts when using their native tokens, which can lead to significant cost savings for frequent traders. To do this, simply head to your OKX wallet. On your home page, tap onto this option of trade. You will want to select on Advanced. Now since we want BNB in our USDT coins, simply tap to select USDT. Then down below, select BNB. You will then enter the amount of USDT coins you want to swap to get BNB coins. Once done, tap right here to proceed with your transaction. That's how easy it is to swap USDT coins to BNB coins on OKX wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.